In another display of community spirit during Earth Week, a collaborative cleanup effort took place this past weekend at the Fisheries Complex found in Vieux Fort, which was laden with garbage including plastic bottles. Led by Coconut Bay and Serenity Resorts, the initiative brought together various groups, all focused on removing litter and restoring the natural beauty of the key body of water. John Miles, General Manager of Coconut Bay and Serenity Resort, explained the motivation behind the event.
I have at least 100 persons here from Coconut Bay, Serenity and all other partners, and the whole idea is to clean the bottles from the pond. We came here a couple weeks ago with some guests and we realized that the condition of the area it's not suitable for anybody, even the persons that actually fish here or buy the fish here. We had someone well known that actually came here a couple weeks ago and the area was also in a terrible condition. So Coconut Bay decided that, guess what? We're going to get some partners on board, we're going to come down and we're going to do a cleanup. And the cleanup won't be just for today, not because this week is celebrated as Earth Week, but it's going to be a continuous thing for us. We think about coming every 3 months or so to actually look through the area, do what's necessary to keep the area clean.
The collaborative nature of the event was evident in the wide range of participants.
The collaboration is between right now we have the police on board from this area. We have 2 schools that have actually joined. The bank is also here. I think it's Republic Bank that is also here with us. And the fishermen that are actually here, they have actually joined us in the cleaning up process. When we first came, we did our assessment and we sent out the information to our partners, to including the staff at our resorts. Everyone was like, yes, let's jump on board, let's do this, let's get the place clean.
Political hopeful Tricia Lionel, founder of Vieux Fort Strong, expressed her enthusiasm for the combined efforts.
I'm really happy to see that collaborative effort. It's Coconut Bay this week, but I also know that we did it last week. Vieux Fort Strong started it last week, and we were called by Coconut Bay to continue the effort, and there are so many different organizations here. So it's really good to see people coming together and making this one of the things that should happen, because the pond is a very important part of the economic environment in Vieux Fort. And we have the other issues of environmentalism, climate change, all of these issues. So taking care of this issue is a big one, and watching people coming together, it's so inspiring, and we're healing together and healing the environment together. It feels good.
Organizers say that the positive energy and commitment from various sectors of the community underscore the importance of environmental stewardship and the impact of collective action. This Earth Week initiative serves as a powerful reminder of the responsibility to care for Saint Lucia's natural resources. Gina Filippi, HTS News Force.